around the square there, you know? Hustler on the block. You don't know. That's how we survive. That's all about survival in Jamaica. You see, if you're a hustler, do something to make a little dollars. That's it. Yeah, man. What I say, we keep moving down. While I line and move a little stubborn with people, so I understand where I go on. So I'm going to make use of the trip. See it? Over there, so clear up, you know, but I want to trip over there, so. All good, you know. Yeah, man, take time. I bus down to the square with people, you see it? Yeah, the traffic, as I say, Saturday evening traffic, I don't know what cause it, you know, people, but it's busy with vehicle, motor vehicle, full Jamaica. On the cold gas there, my God. Wow. So, you know, so things are going on the local island. Trust me. When I mount a vehicle on the road and gas so there, eh? My God have mercy. And what am I having in Jamaica? Thanksgiving? Wow. I'm on shampoo center with people. That is it. It's in. Yeah, man, with people. This is it. Remember how haffi tasted, see there with people. Heading out to haffi with people. So, haffi road, I'll travel on. Go and watch along and see what I'm going with people. Come on. Them say cable and wireless. Remember they can't flow now with people. No cable and wireless again. And no cable and workless. How are this? Are the housing trust? My God, I know how much millions they have for poor people. Judge I know. I wish them could have hand it out back to the poor people them. All these millions they have over there. Judge I know. I myself get some too. You copy me and say, Judge. Pussy, I drive up the van now. And slow for me if I'm going on the patrol.